we're going to be unboxing the Milk Rabbit family. So I got this with the loyalty points from Sylvanian Families Shop in London. So this is what they look like. I've also got 17 stickers already on this one because I had some on one sheet and some on this one, but then I got 45, so I sent off my other sheet and I got the Periwinkle rabbits. So I've already got the grandparents, the cousin Barry, the older sister Catherine, I think, the other cousins that came with the wedding celebration set. So that's Louise, James and Amelia. And I've also got the babies, Hannah and Henry. And I also already have the father as a dentist and the sister, Rebecca, as a schoolgirl and for the ballet. But I didn't have the mother or the brother, and I also wanted to have the family all in their normal clothes. So I thought I'd get them with my loyalty points because it's good, because I didn't want to buy the family as I've already got most of them. So I got them with the loyalty points, which was good. So now I'm going to open them to move everyone out of the way. So I'll show you them in the box. So now let's get them out. I haven't cut the sellotape yet. So they're in a lovely flowery box with trees in the background. There is a collection catalogue. I think this is the one that they normally come with. I've got quite a few of these, I think. I think it's the same on both sides. Yeah, I think it's probably from about, it's got the boutique and the brick oven bakery on the hot dog van. So I'd say it's catalogues probably from about 2016-ish, maybe 2015, maybe. I don't know. And there's also a little leaflet about the Premium Fam Club, which I am a member of. So it says how to become a member and what you get. Yeah, I think this is the 2016 one. So now let's get the rabbits out. So this is the brother. His name is Oliver. His head's a bit wonky. There we go. That's better. So this is the father, and his name is Alex. So it's good that I now have him in his normal clothes, not just in dentist clothes. I love it when I get new families because they just look so new and like not dusty, and just looks so pretty when they're new. Because all my old ones look quite dusty, but now I keep them in cabinets so they're not too dusty now. So this is the mother. Her name is Kate, and I didn't have her before. I love her dress, it's so pretty. Really nice flowers. I love the frilly bit at the top as well. It's really nice. Her clothes just look so smart and fancy. And this is Rebecca. I love her dress so much. It's like kind of a peachy kind of colour with some pink flowers on, which is really nice. It's so cute. Oh, they're all falling over. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.